I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server in just a few seconds. If you find this helpful, please don't forget you can subscribe and like this video for more. So this is very simple. All you need to do is open Discord. You can do this on the website version or the desktop application. Once you are here, you need to go to the server where you want to add the bot and click the name of the server. Then go to app directory, or you can also go to server settings, and then you will see the app directory right here as well. Now, once you are here, you will go to this text field at the top right of the screen and search for music. Now you will see a lot of different bots you can add. In my case, I'm gonna add this one called Fredbot because it's one of the most popular. So you can just click this button to add the application. You need to select the server where you want to add this bot and then continue and give it the right permissions and authorize it. Now it will take a few seconds, and now as you can see I have Fredbot on this server. So as you can see it's right here online, and I also have the welcome message and a quick tutorial. So as you can see in this vote, what you need to do is join a voice channel and then just type in the command. You can, for example, create a new channel to put the bot commands so it doesn't appear on the general chat. So right here we can type in /help, for example, and this will give you a link to the documentation if you need help with the commands, or you can also put /play and then a link or the title of a song you want. So for example, let's say I want to listen to lo-fi music. I can just type it in right here, and now the bot will join the voice chat, and now you can choose between different types of music. So let's say I want the first one, and now I'm listening to the music. I will mute it on the video because of the copyright, but that's all the process you need to do. Now you can skip songs with /skip, or you can also put /stop to stop and clear the queues, because you can also put a lot of songs and they will be automatically added to a queue. And that's it. That's the process you need to follow to listen to any song you want. For example, let's say I want to listen to Drake. I just put /play Drake, and you will see different names of songs. You can choose the one you want or search with Deezer, Bandcamp, or SoundCloud. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.